I tested motion control on this platform and the results are incredibly insane. I'm going to show you how I achieved this for free and unlimited.
I can't literally play this because of copyright issues due to the music.
Now let's create this.
The very first thing we are going to do in this video is to source for our image. That is, look for your image source. If you already have your influencer, beautiful. But if you don't have, I'm going to show you how you can get your images to look like what you want to use. Do you understand? But I use ChatGPT because ChatGPT do not have any watermark like on the image. Okay, so I use it to create this particular image you're seeing here. And also, if you also have an image you generated, maybe and it has a watermark, and you want to, transform it to look like what you want to use, of course, I'm going to show you how to do that with the right prompt to get the right result. This is the second one I also generated using ChatGPT. I will show you everything without having any copyright issues, right? So the first thing you need to do is to head over to Pinterest. Okay, I actually use Pinterest to get if you don't have anyone, to head over to Pinterest. You can just type in any keyword and search for it. So this is what I type, and I was able to have all these suggestions. Right now, I was able to at least get what I was looking for by picking any of these stores. So once you're able to see image of your choice, what you need to do is click on these three dots and you're going to see download image. The image will be downloaded into your folder. So this method works both on your PC and on your mobile phone. So don't panic, okay? It's the same process. So if you're even with your phone and your PC, let's do this together, right? So once you've actually gotten your image reference, that is the model you want to use, or let's say your influencer, right? You cannot use this one because if you use this one, you might have a copyright issue. So for you to prevent that, just save it and then let's head over to either you're using Gemini AI. Like I said, Gemini AI has a watermark. So if you're using Gemini AI, awesome. Let me just show you quickly how to do that. Once you sign into Gemini AI, right, click on this plus button, then upload that image you downloaded from Pinterest. Now we want to transform that image so that to still maintain the same, could be the same clothing and all of that, but a lot of changes will happen so that it doesn't look like it's the original photo. So this is the picture, right? Now I'm going to drop this simple prompt. So if you can screenshot this, please screenshot it. Now, why are we doing this? We want to change, okay, and generate our own AI reference, like reference image. Okay, so once that is done, now take note, you need a video that you want to replicate. Do you understand? That video you want to replicate is very important. So how do you get these videos? Now, sometimes you could get it from TikTok, and sometimes you can get it from anywhere if you have it anywhere. So let's say I want to show you how to get it from Pinterest. Okay, so let's go ahead and type in dancing. Okay, now once this dancing video comes up, you're going to watch the ones you want, click on it, play it. If it's something that you like, all of these are all dancing videos, all of it. You can see all of it, right? I won't play because of a copyright issue, right? But I'm using it for educational purpose. So now, if you're okay with this, any of this, right, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on any one that you're comfortable with or you want to recreate. Do you understand? Let's say I want to recreate this one. Awesome. Let's say I want to recreate this one, right? This is a full video. You can see this, right? It's a video. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this sign here, that is share, then copy this link, right? Copy this link, then let's head over and download. Now, where you're going to download this video is you're going to go and search for in your browser. Open your browser and search for Pinterest downloader, Pinterest video downloader. You can see here, right? And this is the first one you're going to open, right? Once you open this, you don't need any sign in, no login, nothing, no sign up. Okay, just open this interface like this for you. Then the link you copied, paste it here. Then that link you copied, paste it here. Okay, then click this download. Once you click this download, it will be, it will not download automatically. Okay, please follow it step by step so I don't miss it. Now, once you click this, you see success. Once you click that success, right, it's going to take you to this interface. If it doesn't show up, do it again, refresh it. Okay, you have to see download another video. That's if you have another link, but don't download here, because if you click download another video, this particular video will disappear. Okay, so for us to download that into our system or into our mobile phone, click on this download video. Once you click on this, it will start. Look at download started. It will be downloaded to your phone or your PC. All right, so we've gotten our two stay, we've gotten our influencer, we've gotten our reference video. So now let's head over and animate this and bring them to life. Let's see if we can make this to work. And then they're using free tools also. So the first platform we are going to head over to is this particular platform. I love using this because it's an open source. I mean, you can literally get any model from here and use for your project. All right, so go ahead and type file, right? File AI. Okay, so we are here. Go ahead and hit send, then open this up. Then the next platform we'll be using this model. Okay, it's very simple. Now remember, this model is not free. If you are using the official website, you can't access this for free. So you want to access this for free using this open source. All right, so once we are here, you want to see all of this. You want to see get started. All the models are here, of course. So what we need to do is to go down. You want to see explore models. So go ahead and explore model. Either you explore for me or you search. Do you understand? But let's explore. Okay, let's explore model so that we'll be able to fish out the clean motion. All right, so once you explore model, this is going to come up like this. Right, so here where you have the search by model task category. Okay, you're going to go ahead and set. Go ahead and hit send and let's wait for it. So we are going to have the motion control. This is clean video V26. Okay, so this is the one we are going to use. Go ahead and click on it. You're going to see copy link address. Okay, I love copying it from here. If you have another method, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to copy this link and then I'm going to head over to this platform, okay, where we are going to use and recreate the video we generated. So open, I'm going to leave the link, okay, of this platform in the comment section. Figma with, okay, and then go ahead and use your login with Gmail or with Figma or with Microsoft. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Gmail because I have a Gmail account. So every time you sign in newly, okay, like a new account to this platform, you have access to 150 credit. So you have multiple Gmail accounts you can use to access this and generate an unlimited. Once we use that particular tool, we go ahead and create new. Now remember, if we want to generate using the tool on this platform, here will pop up. Just keep it for now, right? So let's compare, okay, the clean motion on this platform. Now here we are going to look at it. This is the toolbox. So and this is the video model. Now look at clean. Normally look at 167 credit on this platform. That is if you are using clean model. Do you understand? So now let's see how much the one we copy from this file, this open source, is going to cost us. Right, click on the space and you want to see import model. Once we import model, we are going to paste our link, the link we copied from that platform. We want to load it up here. Look at it's the same. Look at the same image is the same image here, meaning that it is the same thing and that you copied the right thing. All right, so congratulations. Now how much is this going to cost us? Look at it, 50 credits only, and we have 150 credit, meaning they can generate 3 videos on this platform. Do you understand? Then you log out, log in with a fresh account and use it unlimited. Guys, this is insane. This is where a lot of people miss it. So it doesn't stop here. I mean, you can't just upload like this and then continue generating. Do you understand? When you have character orientation, this is very important. This controls where your output character. We need to, set this to video, okay, not image, because we don't want the image. Do you understand? If you don't set it to video, you're going to have error message. So please take note on that part. You need to set it to video. All right. So now you're going to go down. Okay, this is okay, this is perfect, sound is okay, and everything is cool. I'm going to go ahead and import, right? We're going to import image first. The number one import, we're going to have 2 imports, so bring in more import, another import. You want to have 2 imports, okay? One is for your image character. This particular image is originally created by me. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in my video, okay? The video that I downloaded from Pinterest, no upload. Now, one that is done. Now, if you click on this, I want to see, let me zoom in so I can see what I'm trying to say. If you click on it, you're going to see video URL. So this is where you want to connect your video, okay? I want to connect this to here. Awesome. And then there is your image, okay? Connect this to here. And you can see we already have everything set. Our video is here and our reference image is here. So the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click run. Now let's see what is going to happen. Okay, Now this import, yes, accept. Let's go ahead and run it again. Awesome. So if this happens, right, if this happens, don't panic. Okay, credit refund. Awesome. Run it again. It's good. I just want you to see the error message, so in case you see it, you'll not come back and say it's not working. No, it's working. That is how the platform operates. Okay, most times if it happens again, run it until it goes through. Do you understand? Okay, so because it has repeated twice, right, what should we do? We need to change this. Let's be sure that it's not from our video. Okay, so for us to change this, we need to remove this. We need to bring in another video to see if it's from the video. Most times could literally be from the video. So our video is here, right? So this is the one we want to create now. So let's go ahead and run this and see if it will go through. Awesome, this is going through. Okay, so it's basically from your video format. So make sure your video format is in the correct format. Wow, so guys, the video is ready. And so because of copyright issues, I can't play this, but guys, look at the motion, okay, the direction, everything. It's so perfect. It's so amazing. Go ahead and try this. Let me know in the comment section. This is beautiful. So go ahead and click download from here. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about this. And don't forget, if you've not liked the video, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so don't miss updates like this. And remember, this is where you have all the solutions to your AI tools. Additionally, like I want to give you like a bonus. Now to get this, right, another platform I want to actually recommend or suggest is that you try using One AI. One AI gives you access to bring in your reference character and your reference video. It might take, if you're using creative for zero credit, it will take you a long time for it to come up, but definitely it's going to come up. And finally, the video is here. Guys, can you see the body movement, the motion? So amazing and natural. And you can see it's costing just zero credit. I still have my free credit. So go ahead and hit the download button with the watermark and then take it to your editing platform and remove it. And you want to see this. Right now, this method works both in your mobile phone and your PC, so it's not selective. Do you understand? So once you set down, so once it brings you here, you want to say try now. Okay, so once you are here, every day this platform gives you 10 credits, and then come down, you want to say avatar, click on that avatar. Once you click on that avatar, select this photo animate. Okay, photo animate will give you two options. One is a character reference, and then the second one is a video you want to recreate. Okay, click on this character reference and then upload from your device. Now this method works perfectly well on your mobile phone and your PC. Do you understand? All right, so once that is done, select your image, and then here is for your video. So you click on this and then bring your video. Okay, you download it from Pinterest or any platform of your choice. Once you toggle, now once your video comes up, okay, it's going to bring you here to adjust this to 15 seconds. So we played it the 15 seconds. Go ahead and confirm if that's okay by you. I only generate for free and it's unlimited, but the only challenge is that you have to wait for a while. But this is a very good recommendation that try this out and then let me know.